You cheated. Your partner found out and you really want them to forgive you. There are 5 things that you can do today to help your partner rebuild trust as quickly as possible. You need to know these things if you're going to make your relationship work after a betrayal. Be transparent and don't make your partner ask for that transparency. Offer it. Give your partner your phone's passcodes. Give your partner everything that you possibly can to let them know that you have nothing to hide. If they have to ask for it, already you've lost the battle. Don't let there be any trickle truths, half truths, or omissions. We often lie to protect our partner and to make ourselves not look so bad, but this backfires hard. When your partner keeps learning new information about what happened, they'll be re traumatized every time. And eventually they'll realize they can't even trust your confession. Let them know everything up front, even though it's painful, even though you're worried it'll make you look really bad, so they can make an informed decision on whether to stay or go. See a therapist. Figure out why you did what you did and keep your partner informed on why you did what you did and the steps that you're taking to make things better. Just be careful that it doesn't sound like you're blaming your partner or the relationship for the choice that you made. Things may have not been great in the relationship, but taking full accountability over your actions is going to be the best thing for you and your partner and your relationship. Ask your partner every single day how they're doing, especially if your partner is a woman. If your partner is female, asking her how she's doing is much needed. She wants to know that you remember what happened, that you're thinking about what happened, and that you're not just going to let things go back to normal, because back to normal is no longer safe for her. You being the initiator of the transparency, of the conversations about what's gone on, of the therapy or other self-work that you do to figure out your part of it, is all going to help build trust and help your partner know that you're serious about making these changes and that you're not going to hurt them again. Another thing you can do is make sure that you recognize that there's no clock on this. I've seen couples where it's been several decades and things still haven't healed fully because they haven't been taking the proper steps. They haven't known what to do to heal that past trauma. There's no timeline on this, but what can actually speed up the process is whenever your partner is feeling a way about it. If you watch a movie and there's something about cheating and you can tell that your partner gets a little off, you recognizing that and saying, hey, how are you doing? Like, I see that you're a little off. Of course, every person is different in how much they want to talk about it. But even if they don't want to talk about it, you just recognizing something's happened here is going to mean a lot to your partner, because that means that you see the pain that they're going through. And not only that, you're not afraid of it. You're not afraid of their pain. You are willing to sit there with them in this difficult spot that from their perspective, you put them in. It takes a whole lot of work to get over a betrayal, especially an affair. And there are things that you can do to speed up the process. But just know that not being afraid of your partner's big feelings is a really, really important part of all of this. If your partner is worried that if they share their feelings with you, you will get upset with them, you will isolate yourself from them, you will somehow take your love away, the feelings themselves are not going to go away. They're actually going to get bigger, but your partner is not going to feel safe enough to get close to you again. And that means that your relationship is going to just start to die. So managing your own shame around this, managing your own guilt becomes really important, because when you can sit with your feelings of guilt around this and then be there for your partner as they express their hurt, that is going to do a lot for the relationship. I'll do more videos for you on managing shame and guilt and being able to actually sit there and validate your partner's emotions after an affair. So click that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.